People should visit Korea because Korea has many tourist attractions. So I explain about tourist attraction. First tourist attraction is the Seoul, Jeju-do, Busan. First, Seoul. Seoul is a very big city, so tourists can experience many things. Tourists can experience the Seoulland. Seoulland is amusement park. Seoulland is very big, and Seoulland has many roller coasters to enjoy. And Seoulland has many kinds of snacks. Next, tourists can go Lotte Tower. The Lotte Tower is 123 floors, and Lotte Tower have very fast elevator. Last, tourists can go Gyeongbokgung. Gyeongbokgung is Korea's cultural heritage. Gyeongbokgung is palace in past, and Gyeongbokgung is very wonderful place. Second, Sokcho. Sokcho is a small city. Sokcho has many things to experience. Sokcho has beach. Sokcho's beach is very beautiful and good to play in water. And Sokcho has Yeongunjeon. In Yeongunjeon, and I can see the ocean and sunrise. Yeongunjeon on the rock. This is pavilion. It has seat. Last, Sokcho has a lot of food. Sokcho's food is very delicious to my family, and I think tourists need to do. Third, Jeju-do. Jeju-do is island. Jeju-do has many good hotels. The best hotel in my opinion is the Shina Hotel because Shina Hotel has water park. This water park is very fun and exciting, and one water slide is needs only 3 minutes to take. And Jeju-do have horseback riding experience. It is best place to experience horseback riding in Korea. Last, Jeju-do have Mountain Hala. Mountain Hala is volcano, but Mountain Hala around is very good to see. Fourth, Busan. Busan has a beach named Haeundae. Here it is very fun and has many delicious food around Haeundae. And Busan have many events like Busan Export, World Fair, and so on. Last, Busan has delicious food. Busan has many delicious food like fish cake. This is very delicious, so I recommend fish cake and tteokbokki. As a result, Seoul, Sokcho, Jeju-do, Busan is good tourist attraction. Thank you for listening.